Hey friends, welcome back to the Bong Mom's Kitchen with SOUMYA'SHREE and my ATITHIs in the Bong Mom's Kitchen. The new government has been sworn in. There is a lot of hope. There's a lot of bloodshed happening in Bengal, but the election fever is slowly setting down across the country, maybe not so much in Bengal because of all the ruckus that is happening here. But there is another fever that is slowly gripping up the nation, and that is cricket fever. World Cup is on, and with World Cup on, the hopes, the aspirations and the desires of a billion people to see India lift the World Cup yet again is so high. Yes, we did achieve the high of beating Pakistan yet again in World Cup, and that was a big boost for all of us. But now as the battle heats up, we are all waiting for that semi-final position and for the final position. And to celebrate all of this, what do? We do the best thing that is there is eat. We make some more fun with food in the Bong Mom's Kitchen. And to help me make some fun and some more food in the Bong Mom's Kitchen, I have my OTT today. My OTT is Srimati MEERA CHATTERJEE, and Srimati MEERA CHATTERJEE is going to be coming and helping us rustle up something which is going to be a little bit different, a little bit unique, but at the same time very quick and easy to make. So without much ado and without much wasting of time on my patter, let's welcome in my OTT today, my OTT MEERA CHATTERJEE. Please. So my guest is Srimati MEERA CHATTERJEE. MEERA CHATTERJEE is a quintessential housewife. She's lived her entire life as a housewife and worked somewhere. Okay, where?
1 or 2 years after my marriage.
কোথায়?
Calcutta.
কলকাতা কোন কোম্পানিতে?
No company.
আচ্ছা in a school. আচ্ছা. So she was a teacher. She was a school teacher for about 2-3 years just after marriage, and since then she has been basically running her own house. She's been the boss of the house. So you have one son, I understand. One son and one grandson.
One grandson.
Okay. So small family where she devotes all her time in making wonderful and different kinds of food for all the people in life, so much so that they are all spoiled for food, I understand. রাইট আর কেউ রান্না বান্নার কথা কিছু ভাবতেই পারে না, হ্যাঁ শুধু দিদাই রান্না করবে বাড়িতে। আচ্ছা, সো লেটস নট ওয়েস্ট টাইম। আজকে আপনি কি রান্না করছেন?
Dahi Paneer.
So the food that she's going to be rustling up for me is today's Dahi Paneer. So I can see that she's already got some paneer here and a little bit of curd,
and
sugar.
And
this is poppy and cashew paste. So she's taking কতখানি নিয়েছেন আপনি?
এটা পপি আর স্লাইড 1.5 চামচ,
1.5 spoon of poppy আর কাজু কটা? কাজু চারটে। So 4 cashews and 1.5 teaspoons of poppy seeds, which is your posto, and she's ground it. I also hear this is onion paste grated basically, that is ginger paste and that is garlic paste. So very basic and very minimal condiments, and she's already got some white oil, rice bran oil here in the so that's all you need. No other masalas or anything is required. Just salt to taste and whatsoever.
Finish this preparation,
then we'll garnish it with something else. So wonderful. So let's not waste time. Let's start. So here we keep this, and here we go, waiting to go kaboom, and boom. The oil is heated up now. So what are we going to do first?
First this thing. No.
The onion paste. Then goes your ginger paste, then goes your garlic paste. So this will cook for how many people? For 2 people? Whatever you've taken and the paneer, this is good for 2 people. For a portion of 2 people, 2 to 3 people maximum. Okay. So we are not going to be sauteing it too much, right? So মানে একটুখানি মানে তেলে ভাজা হয়ে গেলেই আমরা এর মধ্যে পনিরটা দিয়ে দেবো, তাই তো? So we will not fry or saute it for long, just a light saute. So now we are adding up the paneer. How much paneer you've taken? You've taken about 150 grams of paneer.
No, 200 grams.
So 200 grams, okay. Which you just cubed it.
No, first I keep this and then boil it.
Okay, you steamed it also. Go to yeah. So we are just going to be beating this up a little bit so that it gets homogenized instead of being lumpy. Should I add a little bit of water into it?
No.
To make it no, just this way. So no easy shortcuts out. So you have to do it the hard way, carefully, so that it gets homogenized properly. You are not allowed to use water to make your work easier. Excuse me. In Bengali we have a saying, "Koshto korle keshto pawa jay." So the more you do the hard work, the better is the outcome. So if you take a shortcut of adding a little bit of water, what will happen is that it will become a little bit more fluidy and will not give the thick narrative. This is okay, or I'll do it a little more? Okay, so this is more or less done, and so we go on and add this.
Salt is it?
I'll give you. And your salt is here. I'll give. It is? Or this is more? So I think we are almost ready, right?
Almost ready.
Almost ready. So the oil has started to separate out. So that's about it ready. So we've got a thick gravy made out of this.
Otherwise it is not tasteful.
If it's not thick.
Complete.
Done. So I'll take this and this, and let's take it off it. Tolo. I'm good. What auntie is doing is making me drain off whatever excess oil is there so that it's healthy for all of us. Right? So this is there. Now we are going to be garnishing it.
Yes,
so I see you've got some curry patta here.
Patta and
Cashews and raisins. And a little bit of cumin.
And cream.
Oh, fresh cream. Right. So here you are. You'll use this first. your cumin powder.
Yes.
So a touch of green in the white background. So cream. Open it. Hmm. So some white on an off-white background, right? On this, you got a little bit of shallow fried potatoes and a little bit of green chilies. Right, so we are through. So this is ready.
Ready.
Wonderful. So I'm good to taste this now.
Yes.
So I'll take a little bit off from here. Bit of chilies here also. Let's see. So let's mix up the cream in it first so that it gets mixed up, and then let's try and taste. I'm getting a very dairy flavor into it. There's a mix of the paneer, there's a mix of the curd, there's a mix of the cream. So it's a very predominantly dairy kind of a dish. Being a bong, it is sweet, so appeals to me that way. Although this is not a typical Bengali dish, this is more of a North Indian dish.
Not Bengali dish.
This is more. This is a South Indian dish. So this is a South Indian dish, but the sweet flavor that is there, A, from the sugar, and B, from the raisins that are there, is very appealing to me. The tanginess is coming from the sour cream that is there, plus the cream that has been added, the fresh cream that has been added. Wonderful. And the cashews give you the right amount of crunch when you're trying to eat it. And when you're getting the chilies in your mouth, there is a pocket burst of spice in you, which you're not sure unless you got the chili in your mouth. The paneers are just soft, and overall a very, very appealing dish, but a very dairy dish. Very easy to make, very quick to make, eat. You can eat it with rice or with roti. Okay, anything, however you choose to it. It will be very calorie rich for you because you've got paneer, you've got cream, you've got curd, so it will be very good for you. The curd will give you a lot of probiotics which will be good for your digestion. So in terms of that also, it's a very good and wonderful dish, as a wholesome dish for you to do it. If you liked what we did, if you liked how we did it, can we add a little bit of coconut or anything else to enhance this? You can add a little bit of ground coconut into it to enhance this taste. And make it more South Indian actually, if you want to do it. The potato fry here is making it a little bit more Bengali.
This is Punjabi dish.
Oh, this is a Punjabi, not a South Indian dish. Oh, okay, it's a Punjabi dish. Wonderful. So then the coconut will not go through so well, right? Okay, wonderful. So that's how we make it. If you liked what we did, if you had fun finding out what we did, do like, subscribe, share the joy. Till we meet next day, we'll keep our fingers crossed that Team India goes to the semi-finals and then on to the finals. and of course wins the cup. 83 was repeated in 2011, and let's hope 2011 gets repeated in 2019. We have got a very good team India. We are with you. We want you to win, and while we pray for your win, we'll be having a lot of fun with food. And till next time, bon appetit. Thank you so much.